A slow and simple day off here in Dubai. Today, I just wanted to take it easy and enjoy the little things. Late afternoon na nang magsimula akong mag-prepare. Face wash, toothbrush, moisturizer, at konting makeup. Ayan, nakapagpalit na tayo ng damit. Lagay ng body cream at perfume and then ready to go na. Tara, punta na tayo sa church. It's time to pray and give thanks. After church, nag-mall kami para mag-dinner. Pasyal muna para makapag-recharge para sa susunod na linggo. Ayan, tignan mo, enjoy na enjoy. Akala mo naman bibilhin mo. Ito na pala yung train. Uwian na. Tara, sakay na. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog.